Welcome to Level Up English. Learn English in 90 seconds.
Table for two, please. Repeat with me. Table for two, please.
Can I get the bill, please? Repeat with me. Can I get the bill, please?
Can I have it without sugar? Repeat with me. Can I have it without sugar?
Can I see the dessert menu? Repeat with me. Can I see the dessert menu?
Do you have a reservation? Repeat with me. Do you have a reservation? I'm allergic to. Repeat with me. I'm allergic to. I'm full. Thank you. Repeat with me. I'm full. Thank you. Still or sparkling water? Repeat with me. Still or sparkling water? What's in this dish? Repeat with me. What's in this dish?
Keep the change. Repeat with me. Keep the change. Pot. Repeat with me. Pot. Repeat with me. Lid. Repeat with me. Lid. Repeat with me. Frying pan. Repeat with me. Frying pan. Repeat with me. Teaspoon. Repeat with me. Teaspoon. Repeat with me. Grater.
Thanks for watching. See you in the next quiz. Comment your score and challenge a friend. And don't forget to subscribe to Level Up English.